recognition, because BIM is an all-encompassing thing. As far as, that's what most people think, is that with BIM, it's all or nothing. So a couple of things I like to tell everybody before we get started here is this. One, BIM is not Revit, and Revit is not BIM. Revit is a software solution that is a BIM tool. Most of you a lot of people tend to think that Revit is BIM, and because that's what they hear and that's what they see. We want to make sure coming into this that you work with Autodesk. Autodesk has many, many, many BIM solutions, and Revit is one of those solutions that fills a niche in the BIM market. There's not any one tool. You'll say that if you're going to do clash detection and coordination, you're not going to pull everything into Revit to do that, because that would be like taking just a handsaw to a project when you've got other tools that are a Sawzall that can do it much faster, much more efficient, like in Navisworks and other tools that are out there. So I want to go ahead and clear the air on that first and foremost, that BIM is not Revit, Revit is not BIM. There's many other software solutions with concrete, with mechanical, with electrical, plumbing, whatever it may be. There's different tools that fill different niches. And when it comes to interoperability, we can make them work. And here's the thing I want you to take away from this more than anything. BIM is this. This is what everybody thinks. BIM is only for the big boys, because BIM is all of this. It's clash detection coordination. It's 4D and it's time management tied into a schedule. It's 5D where I'm doing quantities and takeoffs. And it's facilities management. That's the only way you can do BIM. That is so far from the truth. BIM is, this project, we're just going to do MEP coordination right now for BIM. That's all we're going to do in this project. Nothing else. That's BIM. We did a small portion of it, just coordinating MEP. And it was after construction documents have been issued. It's as we're starting to dig footers and, hey, let's work this let's work it all out, guys. Let's make sure it's going to work right here for us. And that's all we're going to use. Sometimes it's MEP coordination. Sometimes it's a little bit of 4D, just to kind of look at it and explain it, use it to communicate with the owner. And then maybe, let's just get some quantity takeoffs. Let's use it for this. So it's not everything. You can't expect on every single project. I heard you say renovations. I heard you say small projects. BIM can be used, and what I recommend first, as a marketing tool. Use it to help you run a couple of projects. Use it to help you communicate something on the job site. You've got to learn how, in most cases, you're going to have to learn how to model. Maybe you can overcome that and go straight into construction management tools and model review tools, which we talk about in the BIM Unit 1 class, which all of you should really highly consider. It's a very good course that's offered through the AGC. So